Okay, hi everyone. This video actually I record again, because our yesterday recording actually got problem, so I record again. So we go for the first revision, a short revision for the chapter 7. Okay, so the chapter 7. Last week, actually, what we learned is we have binomial and we have geometry. Okay, I mentioned about the difference between the binomial and the geometry. For the geometry, actually, we are trying, okay, until we get success, or we trying until we get the first success, something like that. Okay, so for the binomial, they will have a fixed number of trial. Let's say we have example, we have like 5 trial, okay, then 2 success, something like that. Okay, so they will have an end. For geometry, usually we won't be see the end. Okay, we go for the short revision about the formula, okay, before we start to continue with the past year. Okay, for the x binomial, normally he will provide you n, okay, meaning that the number of trial, okay, how many number, maybe 2, 3, 4, okay, and then you will have a p, okay, which is the probability for the success. Okay, so from here, the formula is very direct. Okay, PR equal to, or P S equal to R, okay, NCR, and then PR Q N minus R. Okay, so for the mean, okay, male is actually NP. Sometimes they put EX. Okay, so it's the same thing. Okay, EX. Variance, variance is NPQ. Okay, so just 3 formula for this. For the geometry, we will have geometry, GEO, okay? And then usually they will have a P, which is success, okay? So he never put the N because there is no N for the geometry, yeah? You just need to try until you get success. Okay, for the formula, their formula is PR or PS equal to R. Okay, you will get PQ R minus 1. This is one of that. Okay, then if let's say you have the P x less than or equal R, you will have 1 minus QR, and then you can have the x more than R, then this is the QR. Okay, so this is the 3 main formula that we will use. Okay, if let's say he asking about the EX, okay, and which is the mean is 1 over P. Okay, so we can start to go for the question. Okay, last week we stopped on the question 5. So we will go for the question 6. Okay, so in the question 6 last year binomial question 6. Okay, first we need to identify what is the distribution. Okay, is geometry for this topic is actually geometry or binomial, but in the AS level you will have 3 distribution, which is normal. Okay, normal is chapter 8 okay, normal, and then binomial and geometry. So we'll need to know how to differentiate it. Okay, for this one, he said that, okay, probability that he will complete the puzzle giving any days. Okay, so the P is 0.65. Okay, then find the probability that the Salah complete for the first time. Okay, in the first question here, you cannot identify this is under geometry, binomial, or normal, because this one is only a general information that he will give you. And then from the section like A, B, C in the section, okay, usually they will ask you, or they will give you the information and let you to determine whether this is geometry, normal, or the binomial. Okay, so for example, question A here, he said that this is the first time. Okay, so first time automatic, I know that this is under geometry. Always remember to write it down. Okay, then this is the 5th day. So P5 or sometimes we put P s equal to 5, it's the same now. Okay, so formula is PQR minus 1. So the P is 0.65, and then the Q is 0.35. Okay, your R is actually 5 minus 1 is 4. So straight away you will get 0.00975. Always remember for the answer, you need to give 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure for the final answer. Okay, this is requested. Actually, he stated in the front page for your paper. Okay. So next one, we go for the B, find the probability complete second time. Okay, if let's say that is the second time, he never said that is the first time or what. Okay, so meaning that this one is under binomial. Always write it down. Okay, so we have 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for the 5, okay, he said that the I put success because it's complete. Okay, second time in the fifth day. So that means this one is C. Then because this is the second time, one of the times should be in here. One of it in here, but we don't know where is it. Okay, so this one I can set that is 4 because we have 4 places. Okay, choose one and then 0.65, 0.35. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3. This is for here. Then we don't forget we have another one is the second time, which is the success one. So this one, the success is actually 0.65. Okay, then you multiply it, you will get 0.0725. Okay, next one. Find the probability that the Sarah complete the puzzle fewer than. Okay, so altogether you have 7 days. Okay, that means your n is 7. So fewer than 5, meaning that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, until 4. So I can write it that 1 minus probability 5, 6, 7. I just minus it. So this one he was same as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 minus the total, the n is actually 7. So 7, C plus 1, 5. Okay, 0.655, 0.35 minus 2. Okay, 766. Then 0.656, 0.35. Okay, minus one more. The last one, which is 7C7, 0.67. Sorry, 5. 5, okay, then 7. This one you write or not write also doesn't matter because it's the power 0 lah. So it's 1. Okay, when you press calculator, you will get 4677. So answer is 0.468 in 3 significant figure. Okay, next one. Okay, for D, actually last week I said that this is you cannot do it, but I still put it in here because I want to let you know that in the question, okay, he can be divided as remember right just now, and for the A here is the geometry. For the B and C actually is the binomial. Or for the D, he can be normal. Okay, because he have the suitable approximation. For AS, suitable approximation only one, which is normal. So this is under normal question. So this one you don't touch it yet. We will come back in during after we finish the notes in the chapter 8. Okay, when we finish chapter 8, then we come back to this question again. Okay, next one. Question 7. Same thing. This one, this is only the general information. We have the 2 fair-sided, okay, 6-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then he said that the sum of the two number, the sum of the two numbers, so that means it's plus. Okay, then let's see what he asking you. Find the probability that the score is 4. So meaning that you have 2 dice, okay, you try it. So maybe first time I get 1, second time I get 3. Okay, I plus together I get 4. Okay, this is something he want. So he need the score is 4. So either is 1, 3 or 3, 1 or 2, 2. So we do it one by one. So if let's say I want to get 1, the probability is actually 1/6 because we have 6 cited. So to get 1 is 1/6. For 3, also same thing, 1/6. Okay, this is the first case. Then second case, 3 plus 1. Okay, same case, 1/6 times 1/6. Okay, then plus 2 also same, 1/6 times 1/6. Okay, maybe some students that straight away using 3 times 1/6 times 1/6. Okay, can be accepted. Okay, because the answer you are getting the same. How important he asks you to show it. You need to show the answer is 1/12 actually. Okay, the next one. He said that the 2 dice is 4 repeated until a score. Okay, until. So automatic. I know this one is the geometry. Okay, then he said that the score is 4. So meaning that the P will be 1/12, which you getting from your answer A. Usually the question he will provide you like this. He will giving you the information actually from the A and then the probability, because he never provide you probability. So he will getting the answer from the A, and then after that you use this probability for the B and C. Okay, as long as he's saying that this one, the score of 4, same case. Okay, so the number of throw taken is denoted by the S. Okay, so find the mean. Okay, if you remember the mean for the geometry just now, I said that is 1/P. So my P is actually 1/12. So you divide it, you will get 12. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, for the next one, we continue. He said that the score, okay, you see, first obtain this one, geometry. Okay, he said that is the 6th throw. So we're using the formula P6 equal to, PQ R minus 1. So formula, okay, so 1/12, Q 11/12. Okay, Q is the failure. Or sometimes we can say that Q is same as 1 minus P, or it's the same thing. Okay, then the R is actually 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, then you press the calculator, you will get 0.0539. Okay, next one. Okay, this one straightforward. PS less than 8. Okay, PS less than 8 meaning that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. So I can say that this one is same as probability X less than equal to 7. So 1 minus QR. Okay, this is the formula. So your Q is 11/12. Your R is 7. So you press the calculator, you will get 0.456. Okay, we continue it to the question 8. Okay. Question 8, he gave me the probability is 0.4. So P equal to 0.4. Okay, and then he said that he random put at the number of attempt is then take until to score to score a goal. Here I never see any first try until the keywords for the geometry. But I saw this one. Okay, he will try. Okay, he will denote the number of attempts that he takes, okay, to score a goal. So meaning that he will try to do until he success. Okay, it's the same meaning, or actually it's the same meaning. Okay, so we can say this one is under geometry. Okay, so if under geometry, then we're using the formula. Okay, so P is 0.4, Q is 0.6, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so you press the calculator, you get 0.0518. Okay, next one. Okay, he need the 3 to 7. If 3 to 7, meaning that 3 including 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I have to do is I need to use the 7. Okay, I write down equal to Px less than equal to 7. Then minus the probability. Okay, let me check the formula. Am I right? Yeah, correct. Okay. Okay, correct. So X less than equal to 2. Okay, so this one, we can use the formula, which is 1 minus Q. Q is 0.67. The whole thing. Okay, minus 1 minus 0.6. Okay, square. So when I press the calculator, I get this one. So and now I will get 0.332. Okay, this is 4. 4. Okay. Okay, next one. He said that, okay, he need to, again, second go. Okay, for the fifth before. Okay, second go on, okay, or before. Okay, so meaning that I can have 2. Okay, meaning that go I put GG lah. Okay, so second time this is second time. So meaning that in front you have a first time. Okay, I have the 3 attempt also. I can have the 3 attempt. So which is 1, 2. I don't know where is it the G. Okay, one of them lah. Okay, the second time. I can have the 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can have the 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one of them should be have the G, but I don't know where is it. So I do it one by one now. Okay, for this one, the first one. Okay, the goal for success is 0.4. If you remember just now. Okay, so 0.4 times 0.4. You will get 0.16. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, this one you have 2. So if let's say you have 2, I can say that is 2C1 times 0.4 times 0.6. Okay, but don't forget you have a G here. Also, you have to multiply by 0.4 again. So this one I get 0.192. Okay, the next one we have the 3. So that means 3C1, okay, times 0.41 times 0.62 times 0.4. This 0.4 is from here. Don't forget it. This one, the whole thing here is from this one. The 3 places, one of them will be success. Okay, then I will get 0.1728. Okay, next one we have 4 places here. Okay, so 4C1 times 0.4 times 0.6 power 3, because 4 minus 1 is 3. Then don't forget this one also 0.4. So I'll get 0.138 2. Okay, so I plus everything together. Here, this one, I need to plus together 0.16 plus 0.192 plus 0.1728 plus 0.1382. Okay, I plus everything together, I will get 0.663. Okay, so okay, this is the answer lah. Okay, next one. Okay, you have 75. Okay, actually when I see this one, this is my n. 75, this one sure is the normal distribution because the n is very big. NP, after you multiply more than 5, okay, that one is approximation to the normal. So this one, leave it lah. We will leave it first. Okay, we go for the last question. Okay, last question, 30%. Okay, we write it down. Okay, so gold G 0.3. Okay, red 0.25. 100 U lah. You minus it lah. Okay, you use 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.25. Okay, you will get 0.45 lah. Okay, after you get everything out, okay, after you get everything out, then he said that he chose 8 chocolates, so n equal to 8. Find the probability she obtained no more than 2. Okay, no more than 2. So that means x less than 2 lah. Okay, he need red. Okay, red success is 0.25. Okay, so he can be probability 0, 1, 2. Okay, this one sure is under binomial. Okay, this one is under binomial. Because he never said that he tried until success. Okay, so we're using the formula again. Altogether is 8, right? The n is 8. So 8C0. Okay, 0.25. This one I need to use the rate. Okay, 0.75. 8 plus 8C1. 0.25. Okay, this one got 0. Okay, so this one is 1. Okay, then 0.75. Then this one is 7 plus 8C2, 0.25, 2, 0.75, 6. Okay, so you press the calculator, you will get 0.679. Okay. Okay, we continue. We continue it. Next one. Okay, he chose the chocolate one at the time at the random from the production. Find the probability. Okay, so the keywords here. Find the probability that the first time, okay, geometry. So he read with rate. Okay, rate is 0.25. Follow the information he giving you just now. Okay, so this is for your P. How about your Q? Your Q is 0.75. Okay, he said that before the 7, okay, 7. So meaning that P7 equal to 1 minus before. Okay, we should use this one. Okay, so meanings that let me see. We are using what? I'm using 6 actually. Okay, this one before 7, so that means it's 6. Okay, he should be 6. So 1 minus Q is 0.75. R is 6. I'm using the formula, this one. X less than R equal to 1 minus QR. I'm using this formula. So 1 minus, you press the calculator actually. 0.822. Okay, next one. Okay, he choose one at time random. Okay, then he find the probability. Okay, second chocolate. Choose. Okay, is the first. Is the first red gold. So second, so 1, 2, second. So second, I put G gold. Given that the fifth, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, unwrapped. First unwrapped. So this one U. Okay, meaning that because I only have 3 types of the chocolate. So here must be R. We no need to think about that. Or must be R. Here can be R or G. Okay, but cannot be U. Okay, cannot be U. I can set that the probability is 0.55. Because the probability for U is 0.45. So here must be 0.55. Okay, then we go for here. He said that the given, okay, you see given. So meaning that you have to use the probability with condition. So P, I write down as, okay, second go. Okay, then fifth unwrap U. Unwrap lah. Okay, when I write this one, meaning that I have to find the probability the second go, and then he also intersect with the fifth is unwrapped over. Okay, the fifth is unwrapped. Okay, so this one, the probability is from here because I already arranged it. So the first one is rate. Rate is 0.25 just now. Okay, then multiply by G. G is 0.3. Okay, just now I said that here, not U, meaning that is 0.55 and 0.55. Okay, because we have two places here. And then the U is 0.45. Okay, we done the first part. Then fifth is the U. So meaning that this one is the U. The rest is not U. So I can say that we have 0.55. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 place. And then the U is 0.45. Okay, actually you can cancel. We can cancel. Okay, this one we got 2, you can cancel. And then you press the calculator. Okay, you will get 0.248. Okay. So this is all about the binomial and geometry. Okay. So you can see that from this past year, the question he can be mixed around. So whatever you already learned it, okay, in the S1, he can be joined. So that's why this type of question, you have to very careful. When you read the question, you don't think that okay, this question 5 is about geometry. Everything is geometry. No such thing. Okay, he can be A geometry, B binomial, C normal, or he can be A geometry, B binomial, then C he can be condition probability. He can be have different kind. So try to understand the question. Read the question carefully, take up the information or the keywords that he giving you. And for the paper 5, this paper 5 is 1 hour 15 minutes. Usually he will provide you 7 to 8 questions. 7 questions around that. Okay, so you have to finish it, okay, within 1 hour, not 1 hour 15 minutes, because another 15 minutes for you to check your answer. So 1 hour you have to do it. So you really need to go very fast. Once you read the question, automatic you know everything for this. Okay. So today we will go for the this one, normal distribution, which is the last topic. And so also you will go very slow because I know that the last 2 topics are very hard. So usually the last 2 topics I go very slow. And then if you notice that I actually sent it to you, I posted in the group about this one. In the exam, I think you will receive a booklet. Okay, so the booklet actually provide you this standard normal distribution function table. So this table is help us to solve the problem for the normal distribution. Okay. So now we go for the first one, continuous random variable. Okay, so we try to differentiate. Okay, again, we try to differentiate always like that. We try to differentiate that the normal distribution geometry and the normal. Okay, why binomial geometry usually they put together? Okay, why normal usually they will separate out? Okay, because binomial geometry, they are using discrete random or discrete data. Okay, discrete data meaning that is the whole number. Okay, like the dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so no decimal. For the continuous random variable, usually they will have the decimal. Example like the mass. Okay, mass he can be like 60.1. Okay, he can be 60.3, something like that. Okay, so he can be length also. Okay, whatever data which is the continuous. Okay, so normal they are using in continuous random data. But how come just now I said that it will appear in the binomial and the geometry question? Okay, because we have the approximation. Okay, this is the last part that we will touch. So we just try to understand what is the difference between binomial geometry and the normal. Okay, remember that normal usually they're using, even though he never said that this is follow normal distribution. But when I see the question, I automatically know that that is talking about the mass, or that is talking about the length. So this is automatic under normal distribution. Okay, so in the normal curve, okay, this is the normal curve. We call it symmetrical. Symmetrical, the mean, mode, and median is the same. So meaning that in the middle here, this side. Okay. So very direct lah, so this side, okay. Then we go here, okay. So in the normal distribution, he will give you x and male mean, okay, this is variance. So he will give you like this. Okay, and this one, the line here, okay, is 0, meaning that the mean mod medium is actually 0 lah. And then for the area, the whole area, okay, remember the whole area for this one is actually 1. Meaning that here, this one, the whole area is 1. So stated here, okay, area under the graph is 1. Okay, so why that is so important? Because this one is for us to find the table. This one I will guide you slowly, because the student who are not taking SPM, maybe they are not touching for this normal distribution. It's a very new to you for the international school student. Okay, so normal distribution, okay, you can see this table, same as this one, exactly same, so I just putting in. Okay, so normal distribution function, okay, when we find from this table, the area, okay, is actually this side, left hand side, he shaded here lah. Okay, I can also state that this one is same as, okay, because this is a Z, right? He can reflect back here. So we call it negative Z. Okay, so this one is the PZ, okay, less than Z value. So that means here, less than. I can also state that it can be same as this one. PZ, okay, more than negative Z. More than, that means here. So both of them area is the same. We're talking about area. So no positive and negative lah. Okay, then here, this is the thing. And then what is the value you're finding here? The Z value is actually the probability. Okay, it's the probability. Okay, so we go for the question. We go for the question. We learn from the question. Okay, so this one is normal. 0 is the male, and then 1 is the variance. Okay, we no need to care about this first. Okay, for this a few question is only guide you how to find the Z value. Okay, so he tell you that the Z is less than 1.23. Okay, we try to draw the graph out. Okay, 1.23. That is less than, okay, less than, that means here. So when that is less than 1.23, this shape or this area is actually same as the table area. We look at here, it's same as the table area. So what you have to do is you just find 1.23 from your table. Okay, how to find it? Okay, 1.2 here. Okay, 3. Then we find here 3. So the answer is what? 0.8907. Also, this is your answer. So this one equal to 0.8907. Okay, now we go for this one. This one, 1.23. That is more than. That means this one, the small part here. So follow the table just now. Actually, we find this part, right? I want to find this side. I have to use 1 minus. Why 1? Because the whole area is actually 1. Also, you minus the 0.8907. Okay, you will get 0.1093. This is my probability. Always remember what you find here is actually your probability. Okay. So we continue here. Okay, this one we same thing. We try to draw it out. Okay, so this is 0.4. This is 1.7. Okay, if I want to find this side, meaning that I have to use 1.7 because for the table, I will find the whole thing, right? Okay, the whole thing, and then minus the 0.4, this side. So you minus it, you will get the middle here. Am I right? So you just find this one. If 1.7, okay, I can find, sometimes they write in this way lah, so like this, okay, 1.7 minus, okay, 0.4. Okay, 1.7, we go to the table, 1.7, okay, 0.554. Okay, we write it down, 0.554 minus 0.4, 0.4 here, 0.664, 6554. Okay, 6554. Then you minus it. Okay, I'm missing something. Okay, so you will get 0.3. Okay, next one. Okay, this one, he said that -1 to 2 point. Okay, we draw it out. -1, 2.115. Okay, if I want to find this one, you have two methods to do it actually. We can cut this one become half. Then this one, the whole part here is 0.5, the whole part here is 0.5, and then you find it. But this one very troublesome. So what we try to do it is, okay, I draw it. Okay, so actually is the whole thing 2.115. Okay, the whole thing. You need to minus this part, right? So that I can get until the -1. Correct now. Okay, so if I want to minus this one, I want to minus the small part here. Meaning that okay, meaning that I reflect this one here, 1 because I cannot get negative in my table, only get positive. Okay, so I need to minus this part. So how to get this part? Okay, this part is actually 1 minus the 1 here. That means is 1 minus, okay, the whole part here. That means you will get this side. So I put it down here. So meaning that if I want to get the area here is 2.115 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So once we already get this one, we can start to do like 2.115. We go back to the table, 2.1, okay. This one is 0, so 1 is here, 2.11, okay, 1, 5, okay. 5 is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the front here is 3, 4, 5. So that means you plus the 2 with the 6, you don't plus wrongly, so it's 0.9828, plus the last digit, 0.9828 minus 1, minus become plus. Okay, 1. 1 is here, 0.8413. 0.8413. Okay, you press the calculator, you will get 0.824. Okay. So next one, okay, this one we need to find the value here. Okay, same case. Okay, so okay, this one is less than A. Okay, when that is less than A, you have here, this one is A, less than. Okay, so 0.9072. Remember this value, 0.9072. Okay, so we go back here. Now we are finding in the middle side here. Okay, I use other color. Okay, 0.9, 0.900. Okay, here 0.9072. Okay, I cannot use 82 because more than that. I use 0.9066. Then if I plus another 6 here, I will get the answer. So this is the value that I find. So how you read? Okay, you read from here. You read from here. You read from the top here. So my answer will be 1.324. 1.324. Okay, here. So the A will be 1.324 from the table. Okay, you straight away read it. Okay, now we go for the next one. Okay, this is 8.5. Example 8.5, 0.7713. Okay, look at here first. This one is more than B. Okay, more than B, he can be here, right? But that is not possible from here. You know why? Because the whole thing is 1. So this one, the value already 0.77 something. So meaning that this 0.77 something must be in this side. Must be in this side. Okay. So I can also set that he can be negative B. Negative B. So when Z is more than B, Z is more than B, then it makes sense. So the area will be 0.7713. It makes sense, right? Okay, so it's okay. When I find it, okay, from here, because just now I said that when he have the negative, or if you still remember just now, I mentioned over here, if you get here and here is the stem, only we have to put the negative lah. Okay. Okay, here. So, okay, we go back to the value 0.7713. Okay, we find from here 0.7713. Okay, it's around here. It's around here. Because 3, 4 cannot. 1, 3 should be this one. I use other color. Yeah. Because very confusing that. Okay, 0.7713. So 13 means that I have to plus 9. Okay, plus 9. So here. Okay, we go back to the reading. 0.7. Okay, go on top here. 4. Okay, go on top here. 3. 0.743. Okay, this is my answer. 0.743. 0.743. This one is positive here. But I said that it's not possible, right? He must be negative. So I just put a value which is negative 0.743. This is your answer. Okay. So I think should be okay, right? Because we already finished this one finding one. Okay. So we look at here because some student is asking about this one. Okay, this one. How to find the A. Okay, I just show you one. The rest you can do it your own. Okay, so meaning that this one 0.2673, meaning that he cannot be more than here. He must be only this side because the half of them is 0.5. So the C should be this area. So this is 1.638. Okay, this is 1.638. Okay, this area will be 0.2673. Okay, so for here, this area, okay, for here, I want to find the C, right? Okay, if you still remember just now what I tell you is you have to use this area 1.638, the whole thing, okay, minus the C, right? Okay, this is what we know. Okay, so we try to find. Okay, I just put first 0.2673. Okay, 1.638 is what you get. Wait, okay, I use another one. Very troublesome. I need to flip. Okay, 1 point. Yeah, I'm finding that the question. Okay, 1.6. 1.6. 1.6 here. 1.6. 3. 3. 1.638. Yeah. Okay. We plus back 0.9484 plus 8. That means 0.9492. 0.9492. Okay. So 0.9492 minus something. I don't know. We have to find. Okay. So I find this one first. So when I find this one, meaning that you have to use 0.9492 minus 0.2673. Okay, you get this question mark. Okay, wait, let me get the calculator. Okay, 0.9492 minus 0.2673. Okay, I get 0.6819. Okay, this is the Z. Okay, here, this side, right? Less than C. Okay, this is a Z less than C. So, same case of, okay, 0.6819. I need to find it back. Okay, 0.68, 0.68 here, around here. 0.681. I think this one, supposedly. Okay. So supposedly this one, 0.6819. Okay, so this is 0.6808. Okay, you minus it, 0.6808. Okay, actually the difference is 11. So the 11 value here. So my answer will be 0.473. Here, 0.473. Okay, so this is my answer. So the C value will be 0.473. Okay, so I will get the answer here correctly. Okay, so I think should be no problem lah. The rest you can try your own lah. Okay, so I continue with here. Okay, the front is actually help you to find the Z value. So why we need to learn how to find the Z value? So troublesome. Okay, because we need to do this part. Okay, in the information he giving you, especially the problem solving, he will giving you mu and the variance. Okay, I have to find the Z value. After the Z value, we need to get from the table to get my probability. So the Z equal to S minus mu over standard deviation. Okay, this one is my mu. This one is my variance. This is my X. So P X less than 18. Okay, so probability Z value, now I change to Z value lah. This one don't change lah. Okay, 18 minus 11 over square root 25. Okay, so this one you have to press the calculator. Actually, you get 1.4 lah. 1.4. Okay, that is less than 1.4. Again, this one 1.4 less than this side. So means that I can straight away find from my table on 1.4. Okay, which is 0.9192. So answer is 0.9192. 2 no need to write because 3 significant figure. Okay, next one, same thing. Okay, we have to change to the Z value. So Z, okay, less than 16.6 minus 20 over 7. Okay, you can just press the calculator. Actually, you just press the calculator, you'll get negative 1.285. Okay, negative 1.285. It's actually here. So meaning that he less than this side, right? So according to just now, actually we need to find 1 minus 1.285. So 1 minus 1.285. Okay, we go back to this table. 1.2885. Yeah. So 0.9. Yeah, we need to plus 0.8997 plus 0.00030 0.9006. Yeah, I write down 0.9006. Okay, you minus it, you will get 0.0994. Okay. So we continue with the next one. Okay, next one. Okay, this one, same case. Okay, so but this one a bit different is you have to change 2. So this one minus 5 over square root 5 x. Sorry, not x. No more x. Should be z, z value. Okay, then 9 minus 5 square root 5. Okay, then I press the calculator. Actually, I will get negative 1.342. 1.789. Negative 1.342. 1.789. Okay, this side. Okay, so for this one, if you still remember, I have to use 1.789 minus this one, negative also 1 minus, change it back to 1.342. Okay, so change back. Okay, so when you change it back, so we start to find 1.789. Okay, let me use other color. 1.7, 1.7. 9. Okay, you plus back now. So you will get 0.9625 plus 0.0008. I will get 0.9633. Okay, 0.9633 minus 1 plus 1.342. 1.342. 0.9099 plus 0.0003. Okay, 0.9102. 0.9102. Okay. Then you press the calculator. 0.9366 minus 1 plus 0.9102. Okay, I will get 0.8735. 3 significant figure, 0.874. Okay. So we finish already. Then we continue. Next one. Okay, this one. This you have to find it back. It's the same thing now. We try to do the simultaneous equation now. We do this one first. Okay, y is less than 10. So meaning that we can straight away find, right? Okay, the z value, I don't know. So I have to find. So 10 minus mel over standard deviation equal to this one 0.75. The z value 0.75. 0.7, 0.75, 0.75. Okay, this one. So it's 0.67. 0.67. Okay, 5. That means I have to plus 14. But the 13 only we didn't have 14, so I use this one. So 0.674. Okay, so we write it back. 0.674. Okay, we multiply back 0.674 and minus mel. Okay, so equation 1. Equation 2, this one is 12. Okay, y is more than. So meaning that I have to use y is more than. Okay, so meaning that this part is actually 0.1. So for me to easier my life, so this part should be 0.9, am I right? Because altogether 1, right? So I can set that 12 minus mel over standard deviation equal to 0.9. Okay, not 0.1 anymore lah. Okay, but not 0.9 yet because I need to find that. Okay, 0.9, 0.9, 0.9 behind lah. Around here. Okay, 0.9. Okay, this one. So should be 1.2. There we are, 1.28. 1.28. This one need to plus 3. Okay, plus 2 lah. 1.28. 1 or 2. Okay. 1 or 2 lah, around that lah. Okay. So I put 2 lah. 1.282. Okay, so this one you times. So this is your equation 2. Okay, this one I can do as the elimination. So 10 minus mel equal to 0.674. Then this one is 12 minus mel equal to 1.282. Okay, I use this one minus here. So that means this one left 2, this one no more. This one I left 0.67. Wait, no, 0.608. Okay. Then I divide it. Okay, I will get my standard deviation is 3.29. After I get standard deviation, I put it back here. 12 minus mel equal to 1.282, 3.29. Okay, I press the calculator. My mel will be 7.78. Okay, so I'll get 2 answers. Okay, so same thing. The rest you can try your own. Anything you can ask lah. Okay, I continue back here. Okay, we still need to continue here. Okay, this one he give me the this is the question that in exam lah. So he tell you normal distribution mean x normal 3.35. Then variance is 0.0858. Okay, how many number of this one less than x value, this one x less than 3.5. Okay, remember this one we find probability. If we want to find how many number, later we need to use the probability multiply the total number here. Okay, we find this one first. Okay, this one actually we know that 3.5 is less than right here. So find the z value first. The z value will be 3.5 minus 3.35 over square root 0.0858. Okay, so we press the calculator lah. We will get my z value is 0.5142. 0.512. 0.511. Okay, 0.6957. 0.6957. Okay, so this is my probability. If I want to get my number, that means 0.6957 multiplied by 1356. I will get 943.37. Okay, so cannot be human, cannot be decimal. So 943 is my answer. Okay, we move on. The next one. The factory produced a half liter. Half liter is 500 ml. So this one is 506. This is your mean. Then I can set that, okay, X mean is 506.18. Then my standard deviation is 2.96 square. Okay, what is the percentage of the less than half? Okay, less than half liter. So meaning that you have to find the P X less than 500 lor. So Z value lor. 500 minus 5061.8 over this one, 2.96. Okay, so my Z value will get negative 2.088. Okay, less than here. So meaning that I have to use 1 minus 2.088. So 2.088 is right here 2.088. 0.9816. 0.9816. So you minus 8, you will get 0.0184. You need the percentage, you multiply by 100%. 0.12, sorry, 1.8. 1.84%. Okay. Next one, the probability that exactly 1 out of 3. Okay, so this one is binomial because he have the whole number 1 out of 3. Okay, so my B, the probability is X equal to 1. Okay, 1 out of 3. So that means 3C1. The success, because he said that is less than half liter. So the less than half liter, actually the probability is here. Just now we find it. Okay, so 0.0184. This is the success. Okay, then the Q should be 0.9816. Then 2 using the binomial. This is binomial. Okay, so you will get the answer. Okay. Then we will stop it here. Okay. So we will stop it here. Okay. Actually, I asked student, okay, to try for the question 5. Okay. So you can try it your own before you look at my video or the formula. I think A, everybody can do it. Okay. A, actually, he said that is the 5, right? Is more. So PX is more than 5 equal to PZ value. Okay, more than 5 minus 9 over 9, sorry, 5.9, 5.91. Okay, so this one, press calculator lah, you will get PZ more than negative 1.645. Okay, if we go here, negative 1.645, more than, right? So meaning that is the same thing with the this one, 1.645. It's the same area. So if you find the table, okay, you will get 0.95. So this one you can find it. So for the B, this one most of the students cannot do. He said that n occasion, I don't know what is the n occasion, n. Okay, exactly 5 seconds. Exactly 5 seconds. Okay, so he failed. For this one is open. He success to open. This one failed to open. So for this one, I can set that this is under binomial. No, geometry. Geometry first. Okay, so this is under geometry. This one just now I find is 0.95. In 0.95 he success 0.95 probability. So how about the fail? Fail should be 0.05. Am I right? So in this case, because he asking to find the probability for fail, So the fail is 0.05. So this is my, actually this is my Q. Sorry, this is my P. Okay, so for the, he said that, okay, sorry, this is the P, yeah. The P is 0.95. 0.05 should be correct. Okay, 0.05. Okay. Then for your P is 0.05 in this case. For the Q will be here is 0.95 because this one and this one is opposite. Okay, so I already settled this part. Then he said that the probability will be greater than 0.5. So I need to use the formula. Okay, so the probability X is exactly less than, okay, 5. He said that is the less than 5. Okay, when less than 5, using the geometry formula, it should be 1 minus QR. So 1 minus Q 0.95 R. R is 5. Okay. So but in this case, actually I don't know about what is the R. I don't know about the R. We have to find this R. Okay, because he said that is the N occasion. So I said that is the N. I don't know what is that. Okay, and then he said that is greater than 0.5. So greater than 0.5. Okay, I want to find this one. So I move this one here, I move this one here. So I will get 0.5 or 0.95 N. Okay, now I have to do the ln. Okay, ln both sides. If you ln in the negative, okay, you press the calculator first. Okay, I write down. And you ln 0.95. I will get actually negative 0.0513. And for ln 0.5, I actually get 0.693. Okay, negative, negative. So I have to swap. So meaning that the N become divide. When you divide, you will get 13.51. So because the N cannot be 13, so the N will be 14 for the least value. So this is the question that we tried in the classroom. So you can try it also. Okay. Next week, we will go for the 8.4 and the past year question. We try to finish, complete the question. And don't forget to do the question, set question that I posted in the group chat. Okay, so try to finish it. The group chat P1 past year question. Try to follow the time that he given. 1 hour 30 minutes. So you try to finish in 1 hour 15 minutes. You still have another 15 minutes to do the checking. Okay. So I stop here. Thank you, class.